my dearest Reden. Thank you for loving me unconditional. Taking care of me. Most especially, lagi mo akong inuuna. Thank you kasi sobra-sobra ang pagmamahal mo sa akin.
The one that's deciding. Hello, love. I'll just stop.
Madalas akong matanong ng ibang tao, kaibigan, kahit ikaw, paano ko daw ba nalaman na you're the one? Para sa akin, wala kasing dahilan kung bakit you're the one. Ang lagi kong sinasagot sa tanong na yon ay hindi kasi ako nakakakita ng ibang babae na ihaharap sa altar bukod sa'yo. Hindi ako nakakakita ng ibang babae makakasama panghabang buhay bukod sa'yo.
It's like pastel summer skies, electric butterflies that sweep me off my feet and take me high, so high. Hello, love. I'll just stop. What you doing round here? I didn't expect to see you. Hello, love. I got both hands up. Yeah, you got me, you got me, you got me. It feels so good to see you.
Eliza Thania, do you take redemptory present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Motherly Church?
Yes, Father.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, Father.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, Father.
Hello, hello.
To Reden, I give you this necklace as sign of faith and deep devotion to Nazareno. Love, Mrs. Gumatay.
A thousand tomorrows, a lifetime of I do, a story still unfolding.
Oh my God! Come on! Tanya, this gift symbolizes your courage to work and conquer every situation. I love you, Reden. Thank you!
All because of you, I waited for a lifetime, and everything.
Lagi nating pinagtatalunan kung sino ang unang nag-chat dahil di na natin maalala kung sino talaga. Ngayon, aaminin ko sa'yo, malinaw na malinaw pa din sa isip ko na ako yung unang nag-chat ng hi sa'yo at nagtuloy-tuloy na yung pag-uusap natin through social media.
Make it all so beautiful. Every dream come true, all because of you. I waited for a lifetime, and everything I do, you're the one I choose, forever and for always, for always, for always, forever and for
Yeah.
Oh, ganda mo.
Siyempre.
Bigla ako ng lamig at kinabahan nung una kitang nakita. Out of nowhere, napatanong na lang ako sa'yo na kumain ka na ba? Nginitian mo lang ako, sabay tango. Yung oras na yon, doon ako tinamaan. Kahit mga bata pa tayo nun, Alam ko, mahal na kita.
Kaya nung nag-break tayo noon, doon ko na-realize na parang hindi ko kaya na mawala ka sa akin. Sa kabila ng lahat, doon ko na-realize na hindi pala kita kaya palitan. Na wala rin ako makita iba kundi ikaw.
Bal, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal, pag-iingat, pag-aasikaso at pagpapasensya sa akin. Pinapangako ko sa iyo, gagawin ko ang lahat para maging mabuting asawa sa iyo at maging mabuting ama sa mga anak natin in the future. Mahal na mahal kita, Alisa Tanya Santiago Dumantay.
Would you please give her your most sweetest, sacred, and passionate kiss?
Pipilitin kong ibigay sa'yo lahat. Maging mabuting may bahay, asawa, at nanay sa future kids natin. I love you so much. You're soon to be.